Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's blocked and that you have admin access. This matters because proxy configuration often needs elevated rights. Next, pick the proxy type: HTTP, S for web traffic, SOCKS 5 for apps and tunneling, or a simple web proxy. Once chosen, add the proxy IP and port to your browser or system settings. If authentication is required, enter the username and password now. Make sure to test with a simple site to verify connectivity before continuing. Once you've entered credentials, configure the system-wide or application-specific proxy so traffic routes correctly. Browsers and apps often differ, so set both if needed. Then secure the link. Prefer HTTPS proxies or wrap the proxy in an SSH tunnel or VPN to encrypt data and hide DNS queries. Make sure DNS queries use the proxy or a secure resolver to avoid leaks. Finally, run a connectivity and leak test. If authentication fails, recheck credentials and timestamps on the device. You finish by thoroughly testing access to previously blocked sites and ensuring browsing behavior is consistent. Clear browser cache and restart the app to avoid stale settings. If a site remains inaccessible, swap to a different proxy endpoint, change the proxy port, or switch to SOCKS 5 or an SSH tunnel for broader protocol support. If problems persist, check local firewall rules, corporate proxy policies, or ISB blocking. One key troubleshooting tip: capture the error and test with another.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.